Hi everybody, Michael Guberti, social media strategist, founder of Guberti Giving. Happy that you're able to join me here today. We are going to talk about 4 ways for you to reach more potential customers in less time. Because very often when you're marketing online or you're trying to spread a message using the internet, or frankly any medium, it becomes a fair amount of effort and a lot of diligence that goes into the process, so much so that it does take a fair amount of time. And how best to use that than to repurpose your content. Hi CT Derma, thank you for joining me here. Today we're talking about 4 ways to save time and reach more people at the same time. So this video is going to be all about how do you reach more people with less effort. 4 strategies in particular. One is to go live on multiple platforms. At the moment I am left to right live on Instagram, Facebook, Periscope, Twitter, and YouTube. Why? Because I'm doing a video, so why not broadcast it in as many places as possible? So as a bonus strategy to that, you can take the transcript of your video, have it written out, so everything you said is turned into text, and then that becomes the video description on your blog. So that's how you can increase your SEO strength on a video where you didn't write, as most people would think of when they say, oh, you're a writer, which means you must take a lot of time creating content. You spoke and have a service like rev.com, R-E-V.com, transcribe all of it for you. So that would be one strategy of the 4 that we're going to discuss. The second is how can you add your audio in the video to other mediums like a podcast or an Alexa skill or an Alexa flash briefing. So you just did a video, it was 10 minutes, you take off the audio, you put it as a podcast or an Alexa flash briefing or an Alexa skill, or all 3 preferably. Why? Well, a podcast, some people listen to that either on their way to work, while they're working out, or while they're in transit anywhere. So that's one medium, and very often people say it's the internet version of radio, and they have some merit to saying that. This other way you can do this is by using a smart speaker like Alexa, so that you're reaching people who have chosen to have what is considered a luxury tech item in their home. So you know a certain amount about these individuals that they are probably able to, if they have an interest, afford your products and or services. So that's another benefit to being on a smart speaker that someone had to invest in to get into their house. Another way, 3 of 4 here, 4 strategies, how you can reach more people in less time would be to master your traffic sources, and very much so related to the following: Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, very household names, very important, then followed by YouTube, the search properties, Google, behemoth there. Then you could even niche down further into Pinterest, LinkedIn, 500 million users on LinkedIn, not to be taken lightly, very much in the business community, and draw attention from those platforms to your website, landing pages, or wherever else you want to send somebody's focus. So then in addition to that, you can also remember, and this is a subtlety, it's not very often utilized, I'd recommend you consider this: respond to people's comments if they leave them. So very often you can leave a comment on a post, but you may not hear back from the person who you left it for. By taking that just little extra step, you can help that person feel heard, and that can go a long way in terms of distinguishing you in their mind as a person to put their trust into. And then 4 of 4 here as we wrap up on the 4 strategies about how you can reach more people in less time with the same amount of content is as follows. Optimize your conversion sources. So we just talked about traffic. That's how you get a bunch of individuals, sending them to somewhere. But once you send them somewhere and you have their information where you can follow up with these people, make sure that you do it the right way. And there are a lot of mediums by which to do this. One is email subscribers, messenger subscribers, text messages, website notifications, very underutilized, not particularly as popular in terms of what's talked about, App users, if you have an app, you could send a push notification right to your people that way. You could also send a push notification, let's just use that language in all fairness, to your text subscribers, your messenger subscribers, your website notification subscribers. But those are where you want to be excellent with your messaging. Send value, be engaging, send them to your contest, bounce these people around so that they get in the action of taking little habits that can lead to larger ones. So those are my 4 ways that you can reach more people in less time. I'm going to run through this over just as a recap. Thank you for the kind comment on Twitter. Allow me to recap this for you. 1, go live on multiple platforms at the same time. And then make a transcript of the video you did, put it on your blog so that you have the benefit of an SEO effect that comes with a lot of original text. Following this, step 2 of 4, add your video's audio to your podcast or your Alexa skill or Alexa flash briefing. Step 3 of 4, master your traffic sources: Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google, all the search properties, YouTube. And then optimize your conversion sources, which are email subscribers, messenger subscribers, text subscribers, website notifications, and app users. And that is how you can stay top of mind with the customers you want to reach, who are potential individuals who want to work with you, and also leverage the internet to your benefit. So, Michael Guberti, social media strategist, founder of Guberti Giving. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you like this content, go on over to michaelguberti.com for more videos and tutorials just like this. Until I see you again in the next video, in person or speak with you over the phone, I am going to, first of all, wave to all of my individuals. Thank you all for being here on Instagram. Nice feature doing say hi to everybody if they want to join the broadcast, and wish you all a great rest of your day. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch. I'm going to end this video with 3 phrases we always do, and in this order, they are: dream big, achieve greatness, and unlock your potential today. So now I'm going to go right to left to sequence out the close of this 4 live video at the same time. YouTube community.